Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this professional looking 3D inscription in a circle. So if you check this circle out, you can see this is together with the circle. So you can see how the parts, like the designed part of the circle, is blending with the background. So you can see now if I put it on this canvas is white, if I put it here is gray. So together with the background it changes color. So I'll be showing you how to make this design, so you're going to stay tuned and watch till the end. So this on the right is the material we're going to be using. So without wasting much time, I'm just going to set up a radio question for you guys. So the answer is going to be inside the video of the radio, so you're going to watch to the end. It might not probably be at the end, it can be at the middle, it can be at the beginning. It can even be close to the ending, but you're going to watch it to know the answer to the riddle. And if you know the answer, do drop it in my comment section. Alright, let's begin. So I'm going to keep this original design aside. I'll bring this right here. So I'm going to go to my 2-point line tool. So I'm just going to sketch. Alright, I'm done sketching it, so we're gonna adjust it. So just go to your shape tool. So just like the previous video, we're just gonna right click and convert to curve. So alright, done with the final sketching. So I'm just gonna like make this little adjustment. Okay, this is perfect. So I'm gonna bring out the outline so you can see it. If you compare with this, it looks like, you know, exactly like it. So you just like, you know, shape it up and the rest. So alright, I'm gonna keep this. We're gonna delete it. I'm no longer using that anymore. So just give it any color of your choice. Or would I give it a blue color? Doesn't really matter, just any color at all. Then go to your shadow tool, or rather your block shadow tool, and just give it a little shadow outline, or block shadow outline, just a little one, doesn't need to be much. Then go to your ellipse tool, hold your control so as to draw a perfect circle. Needs to be adjusted a little bit. I'll just select the circle. I'm going to reduce the size of it because it's too much for, you know, this design. It's crazy. So alright, I'm going to highlight both the circle and the design. I'm going to click here where it says simplify. So alright, you can see it. So I selected the simplify. It opened these other options for me. So I'm going to come over here to world. Oh, it didn't work as I expected it to do. So I'm going to go back. So this circle, we're going to check something. Yeah, there is a mistake. I'm going to go back. The circle is supposed to be under the design, not on top of the design. So if you check it here, the circle is on top of the design. So I'm going to bring it down. So Control P down. So I just like give it a white color so as to differentiate this so to be able to see it clearly. So you can see now it's cool. So I'm going to highlight it, simplify. Now click on world. So you can see it looks perfect, exactly like the original design. So you can see how easy and simple it was to make. Not much deal in making this. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.